Shameful and scandalous. Business community out west blasts current and previous governments for mismanagement at Petrojam. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, hiring breaches at PCJ. More damning revelations from the Auditor General's report.
Take it or do your next best. Police Federation fumes after another round of failed wage talks with the government.
Severe stomach pain and job loss. State of emergency detainee recounts horrific ordeal while in lockup.
No need for alarm. The latest from the Education Ministry about PEP exams.
And in business news, Digicel appoints new chief financial officer amid ongoing debt crisis.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking who should bear more of the responsibility for the problems at Petrojam, the political directorate or civil servants in the energy ministry.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.